Welcome to this short tutorial on how to embed OneDrive documents into Frog websites. On the left hand side of the screen I've got Internet Explorer open with OneDrive. Now because OneDrive is a Microsoft product, it's probably written to work with their web browser. On the right hand side I've got Google Chrome open with Frog. I've got a test folder in my OneDrive account with some various items that I want to embed. I've got a picture, a JPEG file, I've got a video, a OneNote document, a PowerPoint, an Excel spreadsheet, a PDF, and a Word document. You'll notice that as I put my mouse over any of these icons, a little circle appears in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on that circle and you'll get three dots appear, and if you click on those three dots you're then given an option to embed. Now it's interesting to note here that anyone who visits the blog or web page with this embedded file will be able to view it without signing in. That also means that they can download it and take it away. Now that can be important for those of you that want to do flipped classrooms and need your students to download videos and other content if they don't have internet access at home. So now I'm just going to click on generate, and that gives me the embed code. I'm going to right click and copy that. In my Frog site, I've got a bit of a test area here for playing around. I'm going to embed it onto this page here, which is Word, Edit, select widgets. I want to drag in a HTML widget, select it, right click and paste, save changes, and now I can close the editor. And within a few seconds you'll see Word Online starting up, and the document is now able to be viewed inside the Frog site. Now notice there's a couple of options down the bottom. This one here gives you the ability to download a copy so you can actually save it to your device, or you can print it as a PDF. You've also got the option of opening it in a full screen window. So if I click on that, it opens another tab at the top, and that document opens within that new window. Right, and you can see here downloads available, printing's available, and students can share it with other students if they want to. So to show you what that looks like with the other documents, I've got a photo here, I've got a video, and once again when you play the video it actually opens it into a new tab. The PDF, that one looks a bit funny, I need to refresh the screen. The only one that's really odd is the OneNote. It doesn't embed like the other documents, but by clicking on it it will open it in a new window, and I think that's because OneNote files need a lot of screen space, and I don't think they would display very well embedded in a Frog document. And we've also got PowerPoint over here. Now I'm just going to give you a little tip. If we go back to our Word document, you'll see it looks fairly small, not very easy to read. We're going to edit that so that it's large enough for people to read without having to download it. So I'm editing my page, I'm going to click on the HTML, and it brings up the code. Now within that code we've got a width and a height, and I'd probably suggest for most devices a width of 800 will be fine, and a height of say 600. Save changes, close the editor, and you notice this time when the Word document opens that it's much bigger, and students will be able to read that document quite nicely without having to download it if they wish. And that concludes our tutorial on embedding OneDrive documents.